Hello dear teachers, welcome to Lingua Tea Club. Today our session is about how to start your first lesson after the summer breaks. Since our students had English last year, we know that they already have some background knowledge. So today we will have a revision lesson on instructions, classroom language and colors. I will be using a national course book for the 4th grade, Welcome Unit. Please, during the lesson, pay attention to the interactive and communicative parts of the lesson. Afterwards, we will discuss it. Let's go! Hello children! Welcome to English class. How are you? I hope you are doing great and ready to start our lesson. Let's go! Now look at the picture and put the words in alphabetical order. We have words deer, balloon, apple, cat. Which word starts with the first letter of the alphabet? It's A, apple. What's the next word with the second letter, B? It's balloon. Which word is next? It's C, cat. And the last one is D, deer. Good. So we put the words in alphabetical order. It's apple, balloon, cat, deer. A, B, C, D. It's in order. In order. You put the words in alphabetical order. Now let's repeat the word. Put in order. Put in order. Again, put in order. Good job. Look at the numbers. The numbers 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, they are mixed up. You put them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are in order. Good job. How do you spell it? Spell is say words in letters. For example, if you spell the word read, it's R-E-A-D. My name's Anara. It's A-N-A-R-A. What's your name? My name's Azamat. How do you spell your name? It's A-Z-A-M-A-T. Azamat. Now look, what's the action? What's the action? Listen. Listen. Repeat. Listen. Right. How do you spell it? It's L-I-S-T-E-N. Repeat. Listen. Listen. Good job. What's this action? Say. Say. Repeat. Say. Let's spell it. S-A-Y. Say. Listen. Say. Good job. What's this action? Read. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. What's this action? Write. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Good job. Look at this picture. Teacher says apple. Student says apple. It's repeat. 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 Look at this picture. You have pictures and words. You match them. Match. Repeat. Match. match. M-A-T-C-H. Good job. So children, these words are called classroom language and instructions. Now write the words into your notebooks. Write, read, listen, say, repeat, match, spell, put in order. How do you spell it? Open your book, close your book, draw, take your pencil. Now let's play. I show you a picture and you say the word and mime it. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at the picture and say what is it. What's this action? What about this? What is this? And this? What about this? So look, we have words. Read, match, listen, put in order, spell. Good job! Now children, let's sing the ABC song together.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Let's learn the letters of the alphabet, so when we spell and when we read, oh, we won't forget. So sing the ABC with me, ABC in the alphabet song. Are you ready to say the alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That's all the letters that you need to know in the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now children, let's remember the alphabet again and answer the questions. Look at the alphabet. How many letters are there in English? Yes, there are 26 letters. How many consonants are there? Right, 20. How many vowels are there? Good job, 6 vowels. Good job. Now children, look at these words, look at the alphabet and try to put the words in alphabetical order. Number 1. Ball, dog, fox, tiger, rabbit. Number 2. Apple, lemon, orange, grapes, carrot. Number 3. Green, yellow, pink, blue, lazy. Number 4. Mother, grandmother, sister, brother. Number 5. Big, small, short, tall, high, cute. Okay, children, now check your answers. Look, number 1. Ball, dog, fox, rabbit, tiger. Number 2. Apple, carrot, grapes, lemon, orange. Number 3. Blue, green, lazy, pink, yellow. Number 4. Brother, grandmother, mother, sister. Number 5. Big, cute, high, small, short, tall. Good job! Now children, look at these words again and say which word is different and why. Number 1. Let's do it together. Ball, dog, fox, rabbit, tiger. Which word is different? Ball is different. Ball is not an animal. Because dog, fox, rabbit, tiger are animals. Number 2. Which word is different? You have words apple, carrot, grapes, lemon, orange. Carrot is different because carrot is not fruit. Number 3. Which word is different? Blue, green, lazy, pink, yellow. Lazy is different. It's not color. Number 4. Which word is different? Brother is different. Brother is a man. Number 5. Which word is different? Cute is different. It's not about size. Good job! Now children, open your books to page 7, look at the picture and answer the questions. Where are they? Who are they? So yes, they are at school and these are students and a teacher. Now listen and answer the questions. Who is this man? What's his name? What's his family name?
Welcome unit. Lesson 1. Exercise 1. Hello, hello everyone. I'm your teacher, hi. Come in and get ready. Come on, don't be shy. My name is Ben. Tell me, what is your name? My family name is Smart. Smart is my family name.
Well, who is the man? Yes, he is a teacher. What's his name? His name's Ben. What's his family name? Right, his family name is Smart. Good job. Okay, children, how do you say your name? How do you say your family name? You say, my name is. My family name is. Now say your name to your friends. Okay, children, now let's remember the colors. Look at the picture and say, what color is it? It's red. What about this? This is orange. And this is yellow. What about this color? It's green. And this is blue. Let's repeat. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. What's this color? It's purple. This is pink. This is white. And this is gray. And this is brown. And this is black. Let's repeat. Purple, pink, white, gray, brown, black. Now let's repeat the colors. Black, black, brown, brown, gray, gray, white, white, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, red, red, pink, pink, purple, purple, blue, blue, green, green. Good job! Write the words into your notebooks. Now look at the picture. What do you see? You see a ladybug. You see a frog. You see an orange juice. You see the sun and a fly. Now let's say, what color are they? So they are green, yellow, orange, red and black. Now please read the poem and try to put the words in the correct place. You have words green, black, yellow, orange, blue. Let's check. Red is a ladybug there in the grass. Orange is an orange juice there in the grass. Yellow is the sun high in the blue sky. Green is the frog eating a black fly. Let's read together. Red is a ladybug there in the grass. Orange is an orange juice there in the grass. Yellow is the sun high in the blue sky. Green is the frog eating a black fly. Good job! Now children, let's play. I say you touch something with the color and you touch it. For example, I say touch something blue. Find something blue and touch it. Let's start. Touch something red. What color is your hair? It's probably black, brown. Find something blue. What color is your book? Touch something yellow. What color is the sun? Find something orange. What color is the sky? Okay, children, good job. So, children, let's finish for today. Today you remembered classroom language, instructions, colors and the alphabet. Good for you. See you next time. Goodbye. Dear colleagues, welcome back to our discussion. During the lesson, which activities do you think were interactive and communicative? Did we play any games? How do you think they would help our learners to be engaged in the learning process and be actively involved? Although we are working with imaginary students, we suppose that they actively participate and follow instructions. Let's recall the games we had. First, we had a game with instructions. I showed a picture. Students were supposed to say the word and mime. Although I don't hear any response from the students since we are on TV, this activity helps the teacher to realize that he or she is doing a consolidation, but not only consolidation, also a big review. A teacher can use this as a formative assessment to see where he or she needs to begin for the next lesson, if students need more help or remember everything. Also, this activity can serve as an energizer between two logical parts of the lesson. Another game was remembering colors, and students were to run and find something blue or green and answer the questions. This total physical response (TPR) activity may help students to find learning process fun, easy and active because they use their whole body, their whole mental ability to be engaged in the game. Thus, they will use their whole cognitive and physical abilities, which is very helpful and useful for children who are fidgeting in class and find difficult to sit during the lesson. Since the lesson is considered to be the first lesson after the summer holidays, remembering the alphabet, classroom language and instructions was essential because as a teacher, going to use all these phrases during the class throughout the school year. And basically, you help your students to refresh their memory on instructions that a teacher normally uses during the lesson. I hope this lesson was useful for you. Dear colleagues, if you have any comments, questions and suggestions, please share your thoughts on our Lingua website. That's all for today. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.